S&P ends on a high, and your Wednesday pick on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands starting right now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Wednesday, April 24th, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. The S&P 500 hit an all-time high Tuesday, marking the stock market's complete recovery from a nosedive at the end of last year. The benchmark index's previous record was set last September, shortly before the market sank in the fourth quarter amid fears of a recession, an escalating trade war between the U.S. and China, and concern the Federal Reserve was moving too aggressively to raise interest rates. Those concerns have been eased or taken a back seat to more optimism among investors this year. Investors are more confident in the prospects for steady, if slower, growth. Coming up on Arbitrage State of the Bands, it's more news and your pick of the day. Stick around.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Twitter Incorporated on Tuesday trumpeted strong quarterly growth in earnings and users, while President Donald Trump tweeted criticism of the social media site for allegedly discriminating against him politically. The company said net income for the first 3 months of the year rose on strong ad demand. Daily users rose 11% to 134 million for the first quarter of 2019, thanks to both organic growth as well as ongoing product improvements in marketing. This company bottles milk. Okay, and so milk products. That's pretty much it. Its brands include True Move, Dairy Pure, Altadena, Berkeley Farms, Lando Lakes, and PET, among other localized brands. Founded in 1925 and headquartered in Dallas, Texas, your Wednesday pick is a swing pick. Dean Foods, symbol DF, starting the day at $2.02 a share.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.